Okay, so here we go. Carnivore Crisps contains this box. Hang on 1 second. I should have been more prepared, right? Let me cut the box. Bloop, 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 bloop. Side cut. There we go. Come on, Jerry, get with the program. All right, unboxing time. Woohoo, woot, woot. Let's see what we got from Carnivore Crisps besides bubble wrap. Well, okay then. Yum, pork loin. Well, you all know I'm doing BBBE, so that's for next month. There's my invoice. Beef ribeye. Yum, that might be dinner tonight. What's this guy? Beef liver. Yum. Actually, I've been having quite the hankering for some beef liver, so that might be lunch tomorrow. Beef top sirloin Carnivore Crisps. Oh, delicious. Okay, this is for next month. The chicken breasts. I love these when I make nachos. And like my friend Hope her and I, shall I say, we're both not doing dairy. So yum to these Carnivore Crisps if you're going to make nachos. Oh, deliciousness. Now, I love these little guys, boy. These are so stinking good. Beef ribeye. They're meaty, they're fatty, they're scrumdiddlyumptious. Delicious. What's this one? Another one? Yep, another Carnivore Crisp. Carnivore Crumbs. Beef ribeye. And really, that's all that is crumbs. And maybe on one of the other videos I can do to show you what the crumbs look like. Beef brisket. And oh boy, how do I put this camera down? I have to put you guys in my box. Hang on a second. Put me in the box. Oh, good golly, Miss Molly. Bubble wrap. Boy, did they wrap this real well. And when you see it, you're going to say, well, that's why they wrapped it up well. It's a brand new product of Carnivore Crisps family of fine foods, shall we say. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to talk over all this bubble wrap shenanigans. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of yelling. Sorry. Let me pick back up and show you. Yum! Just yum! Carnivore Crisps beef butter. Carnivore Crisps grass-fed beef flour. Carnivore Crisps chicken breast flour. And beef and organ blend flour. Now, before you say, that's disgusting, or what are you going to do? Eat flour? Have a spoon of flour? No, silly goose. I am going to make recipes out of it. For example, meatballs. As opposed to adding flour or breadcrumbs or cheese, I'm going to be adding the Carnivore Crisps grass-fed beef flour. When it comes to breading things, I'm going to bread with some beef and organ blend. I might even add that in a meatloaf or meatballs too. Beef and organ blend sounds lovely to me. Chicken breast is fantastic to put on shrimp. That'll be good as opposed to breading. And beef butter, I'm going to try it in coffee. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to fry my eggs in it. So that's my unboxing, folks. What do you think? Have you ever ordered from Carnivore Crisps? Let me know down in the description. Like and share this video. And I hope to see you real soon for another unboxing. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.